Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, 𝖢𝖥𝖣yi, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Obviously, Aussie US dollar performed really well last week. We had a little bit more risk on in the market. Aussie US dollar in particular recovered from the sort of lows of the zero spot 66 handle and rallied all the way towards the zero spot 69. So that was around about a 300 pip jump to the upside, and we're looking to see if that momentum is going to continue. Now, data this week, we have some monetary policy meeting minutes, which are going to be fairly interesting considering the RBA have recently held interest rates at 4.1%, and the question is whether the interest rate levels have now peaked, or are we going to see the RBA hike interest rates again. At the moment, there's around about a 70% probability of a 25 basis point hike in August, and I think this is going to come down to maybe the data towards the end of the month. Maybe this employment data is going to be the key to see what happens next with the RBA. If we get a strong employment figure here, then the probability of a rate hike in August is only going to go up, and we do have a little bit of a changing of the guard. Obviously, the RBA Governor Lowe, he will be leaving, and he will be replaced by Michelle Bullock as well. So there's going to be a changing of the guard in the RBA as well. So there is an interesting sort of dynamic going on with the RBA at the moment. Now, the only other problem the RBA have as well is inflation still at 7%. So they should really be looking to try and bring that inflation rate down. So what are the monetary policy meetings going to reveal? Is it going to reveal the fact that the RBA needs to be a bit more hawkish? Does the employment figures then back that up? And does that create a strong Australian dollar over the next week or so? Now, from a technical perspective, a strong bullish week after finding that support. Like I said, typically after a week like that, I would expect some kind of pullback, maybe even a continuation, considering the fact that the US dollar, the other part of this currency pair, is also weak. So I would be also contemplating the fact that we may see a move up to the zero spot 69. We may even clear that and head towards the zero spot 7 handle. Ultimately, will Australian dollar versus the US dollar reach the 7.125 handle? I think that's the question we're going to be asking ourselves over the next few weeks. If we go down into our 4-hour time frame, you can see our averages here, 20, 50, and I have got a 200 daily moving average, 4-hour moving average on there as well. Probably don't need that one, but you can see price has been making higher highs, higher lows. We've come back into a little shelf of support now, and we've recently on the 4-hour time frame had a bullish engulfing candle, which again, from a sort of price action point of view, could be a good thing for buyers. It could mean that there's a strong buying momentum shift at this zero spot 68. What we could be looking for is lower time frame trend reversal opportunities. So let's say for this hourly, for instance, if price comes back down into this level here, starts to find support, that could be a good area for buyers to step back into this market, looking to target this area through here. Ultimately as well, we could go even lower. Look at the 15-minute time frame at the moment. That has changed quite considerably, considering we had a bit of a consolidation before the level, aggressive selling, aggressive buying, and price has now traded through those highs. So signs here on a price action perspective that buyers are starting to get back involved around about this zero spot 68 handle. Fundamentally, Aussie US dollar could remain slightly strong, especially if the RBA meeting minutes suggest that the RBA are going to just potentially hike rates in August, and that we could see maybe a move up to that zero spot 7 handle. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What do you think is the next step for the RBA? I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. That's all I've got time for, so thank you for watching this video update, and make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content. Speak to you soon.